Hello. This is an unboxing video of the new Line 6 POD HD500X. Just bought it today with my credit card, of course, because who has $500 cash nowadays? Yeah, so we're just going to open the box with a minimum of talking. Get my trusty Benchmade switchblade. There we go. Looks like it's only held in place by a single piece of tape. Yeah, there it goes. Alright. Looks good. Presentation is simple. You know, you open the box and there it is. It's got styrofoam here on the side protecting the board itself. Here is the power supply. I would expect a larger power supply, but you know, whatever. Here is, it's buried back here in the back and now it's underneath. Here is the cable and booklet. Pilot's Handbook. Okay. And the USB cable is what that is. Looks like a USB standard cable. And let's see. And that's actually it. That's all that's in the box. This is the problem with doing an unboxing video with your phone. Is, you know, you've got one hand holding the phone at all times. Alright. But there it is. The POD HD500X. Well, I'm going to go ahead and fire this puppy up and let's see how it goes. Peace.